Are you looking for the best metal cutting band saws in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best metal cutting band saws that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below. And also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Anbull portable bandsaw with removable alloy steel base. The Anbull portable bandsaw is one of the most popular options for metal cutting. It is equipped with a 1100W pure copper model, which is considered to be one of the best motors at all. There will be no sparks, burrs, and burns while cutting. This saw can be used with various materials such as metal, aluminum, composite cables, angle iron, PVC pipe, metal, etc. Its cutting capacity is very high, and the variable speed is around 1 to 3,500 feet per minute, depending on the material. It is considered to be a safe bandsaw since it has a superior balance. This also leads to more precise cuts. It is also easier to be carried around, thanks to its weight 33 pounds. This saw does not need batteries. It is powered by AC. Its price is definitely one of the best among metal cutting band saws. It can be found for under $500, which makes it one of the cheapest and best for its price options available in the market at the moment. Up next in the 4th place is the Eastwood Benchtop metal aluminum cutting bandsaw. This Eastwood saw is famous for its great ability to cut metal-like materials. It can be used with steel, aluminum, metal, and even harder materials in bigger projects. You can get this saw in different colors. It is easily portable since it weighs only 47 pounds. This makes it the easiest to carry option. You need a 52 inches blade to cut metal, but you can buy extra blades too. It comes with one blade. It makes great miter cuts. It can cut from different angles between 90 and 45 degrees. This saw runs on 120V, and thanks to its high throat and capacity, its blade can run with a speed from 100 to 260 feet. Then, the motor is extremely powerful, 1V, and provides high speed. This bandsaw is definitely the best one available for fabricating. This saw is very well reviewed and many people were satisfied. It is also an available option since it is on a good budget. The 3rd product on our list is the Prolinemax 4x6 horizontal vertical metal cutting bandsaw. The Prolinemax 4x6 metal cutting bandsaw can be used in both vertical and horizontal position. It is a powerful machine with a 3/4 HP motor. It is popular and it is considered to be one of the best overall options. It offers 3 speeds for cutting that can be easily changed. It is good for usage at home since it is not a noisy bandsaw. It can easily be put together because it comes with very good instructions. The blades are solid, and the operation is smooth and efficient. As we already mentioned, it is a powerful machine that can cut metal, plastic, and wood. It is equipped with a scale for mitering vise. The cutting capacity is 4.5 round, 4x5 rectangular, and it is famous for doing pretty good and precise cuts. It is not heavy. Its weight is 100 pounds, which makes it a good option for people that do not work at one specific place. You can carry it around when you need it. The Prolinemax 4x6 is a budget option. There are a lot of good reviews about this saw, as usual about Prolinemax. 2nd on our list is the Eastwood horizontal vertical bandsaw. The Eastwood horizontal vertical bandsaw is a highly recommended tool that can operate in a vertical position, but also in a horizontal one. This makes it popular amongst many people in this field. It is equipped with a powerful 1 HP motor and can make angle cuts up to 55 degrees. The bandsaw is also equipped with a heavy-duty stand with rear roller wheels, which makes it possible for the buyer to transport it easily. Furthermore, it weighs only 137 pounds and its dimensions are 40 by 15 by 60. It is a black and very good-looking saw. It does not use batteries, but corded electric, which makes it good for a shop. It is definitely not an expensive one, which makes it a good budget option. It has very good reviews, like most of Eastwood's saws. Finally, the top product on our list is the Grizzly Industrial G9742-5x5 half HP metal cutting bandsaw. The Grizzly Industrial G9742 is one very popular metal cutting bandsaw. It is famous for its ability to cut up to 60 degrees angle. And that's not all. It can be adjusted easier than ever thanks to its easy-to-adjust head. It comes with hydraulic down-feed control and many other good features. It is a powerful industrial bandsaw that can cut every metal piece. It is not a heavy one, with a weight of 168 pounds, which makes it easy to be transported. And that's not all. It comes with a wheel system, so you can move it around when you need that. This bandsaw does not require batteries to work, and its power source is AC. The voltage is 110. And the blade length is 6 inches. It comes with a lot of features, as expected for the brand. Grizzly have always been popular with their great bandsaws. However, the price of the G9742 is pretty high, On the other hand, this product was given the title best for its price, which makes every penny worth it. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.